Welcome to Auto Reviews, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle insights. Today, we dive into the highly anticipated return of a legend, the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 two-stroke. After decades of silence, Kawasaki has brought back its powerhouse dirt machine, blending old-school aggression with modern technology. Design and build. The 2025 KX500 keeps its rugged, race-ready DNA while introducing a sleeker, sharper design. The bodywork mirrors the latest KX450 but with unique graphics and a broader stance to handle the torque of its two-stroke engine. Lightweight aluminum frame construction and updated ergonomics deliver a more balanced, agile ride, perfect for competitive motocross or hardcore trail enthusiasts. Engine and performance. At the heart of the beast lies a 499 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder two-stroke engine. This power plant delivers raw, instantaneous power with a smoother throttle response than its predecessors, thanks to modern EFI tuning. Expect a massive mid-range punch and lightning-fast acceleration that makes the KX500 a thrill on every gear shift. The addition of a new electronic power valve system refines delivery, allowing riders to manage that iconic two-stroke surge with greater precision. Kawasaki has also tuned the exhaust and intake for a deeper tone and improved efficiency. Suspension and handling. The KX500 comes equipped with Showa's latest 49mm coil spring fork and a uni-track rear suspension setup, both fully adjustable for compression, rebound, and preload. Combined with a lightweight chassis and improved central mass distribution, the bike feels planted yet nimble, even on rough terrains. Riders will immediately notice enhanced traction and stability, making this machine equally suitable for professional racing and adventurous weekend rides. Brakes and technology. Kawasaki didn't hold back on stopping power either. With 270mm front and 240mm rear pedal disc brakes, the KX500 offers precise braking control under any condition. A digital ignition system with selectable maps lets riders tailor performance to track or trail, while the minimalist LCD display keeps the cockpit clean and focused. Weight and ergonomics. At just around 112 kilograms, 247 pounds, the new KX500 is astonishingly light for its displacement. The narrow seat design and optimized rider triangle make long rides less tiring and transitions between standing and sitting effortless, vital for motocross performance. Final verdict. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 two-stroke marks the return of true power and simplicity. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, built for riders who crave raw acceleration, agile handling, and the unmistakable sound of a two-stroke engine. Kawasaki has reignited the legend, and it's louder, faster, and sharper than ever. Outro. This concludes our in-depth look at the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 two-stroke.